Football technique is really important because that alone can determine how you're going to defeat your person in front of you.
It's done a lot for me, between footwork, because without that, I wouldn't be here, because, a lot of scouts look at that, and that's important. So.
It does a lot. Technique is one of the most important things in the game, and you can have speed and all the physical attributes, but technique is what's going to really get you going in the end.
I feel like football technique is really important simply because you have to know your technique to be great. You can't, talent is not only going to get you so far. So, people with great technique, somebody that hones their craft will be a lot better than somebody who, go off of sheer athletic ability. And, I feel like I'm a big advocate of that. I work on my technique. I got a lot of flaws in my throwing motion, but I really try and focus on getting that fixed if I want to be successful at the next level.
Football technique is probably the most important thing to me at this point right now, because when you get to the collegiate level, everybody's around the same level, and you really got to have your technique down to succeed in football. So that's why I went to FBU to get my technique down, and that's why it's real important.
Football technique is really important because once you get to this level in high school, when you're starting to go to college, you might be talented, you might be very talented, but when you get to this level, everybody's just as talented as you. So your technique is going to be the thing that separates you from everyone, because when you get here, everyone's going to be big, strong, fast, but when you're smart and you use your technique, some people use sloppy technique. So when you use the proper technique, you have that edge on that person. So that's how using the proper technique helps me.
Football technique is important to me because you're talented and everything when you're in high school. When you get to the next level, the technique is just the most important thing. The fundamentals and the technique is what's going to get you there, not just only your talent.
Football technique is the most important thing in football because, everybody everybody out here has a lot of talent. Everybody's best in the nation, but if you don't got technique, then you're not nothing.
Football technique is very important. Helps you defeat blocks, and for my position in middle linebacker, helps you defeat blocks and get to the ball a whole lot quicker.
Yeah, football technique is definitely important because when you get to the next level, everybody's just as fast, just as quick, just as strong, just as big. So technique is what gets you to that next level and gets you the advantage over everybody else on the field.
Football technique is very important. It got me where I am today because when I went to the Top Gun camps and the FBU camps, I had to rely more on technique instead of athletic ability.
Football technique to me is very important. It's one of the main aspects of the game. If you have good technique, although you may not be the most physical or athletic person on the field, your technique will carry you a long way. And which I can also say that working at FBU camps and doing different things with this program here has helped me out tremendously as far as working on footwork and my agility, all type of different things. Like I said, even though you may not be the most athletic, technique will carry you a long way.